I study at school. I study at school. I look at my phone. I look at my phone. In. I work in an office. I work in an office. I play in the yard. I play in the yard. By. I sit by the window. I sit by the window. I travel by bus. I travel by bus. On. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I put my phone on the table. I put my phone on the table. To. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. I go to school. I go to school. Above. I see a bird above me. I see a bird above me. I have a mirror above the table. I have a mirror above the table. Under. I keep my shoes under the bed. I keep my shoes under the bed. I sit under a tree. I sit under a tree. From. I get a gift from my friend. I get a gift from my friend. I learn English from videos. I learn English from videos. For. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I save money for my future. I save money for my future. With. I walk with my friend. I walk with my friend. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. Between. I sit between my friends. I sit between my friends. I put the table between the chairs. I put the table between the chairs. Next to. I sit next to my classmate. I sit next to my classmate. The lamp is next to the chair. The lamp is next to the chair. At. I arrive at the office. I arrive at the office. I smile at my friend. I smile at my friend. In. I live in this house. I live in this house. I study in my room. I study in my room. On. I write on the paper. I write on the paper. I put a book on the shelf. I put a book on the shelf. By. I wait by the car. I wait by the car. I walk by the store. I walk by the store. To. I read a story to my children. I read a story to my children. I send a message to my boss. I send a message to my boss. Above. I hang a picture above the bed. I hang a picture above the bed. I fix a fan above the bed. I fix a fan above the bed. Under. I have a sweater under my jacket. I have a sweater under my jacket. I walk under the rain. I walk under the rain. With. I play with my dog. I play with my dog. I cook with my mom. I cook with my mom. From. I am from Canada. I am from Canada. I get help from my teacher. I get help from my teacher. For. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I buy food for my family. I buy food for my family. Next to. I stay next to the table. I stay next to the table. I sleep next to my baby. I sleep next to my baby. At. I point at the board. I point at the board. I am good at math. I am good at math. From. I borrow a book from the library. I borrow a book from the library. I drink water from a bottle. I drink water from a bottle. At. I live at 23 John Street. I live at 23 John Street. I laugh at the joke. I laugh at the joke. By. I sit by the river. I sit by the river. I improve by practicing daily. I improve by practicing daily.